Most men would find that any form of hair loss is more than a little disappointing because, let's face it, thick hair is synonymous with youth. Hair loss and hair thinning can be a total game changer for men who pride themselves on their full head of hair. The 7 best hair growth products to help you maintain your hair are: 1. Rogaine. One of the most used and popular hair loss treatment for men, Rogaine has earned a prominence for its tried and tested solution for hair stabilization. Rogaine foam is also the first FDA-approved hair regrowth foam. Reassuringly, clinical testing determined that Rogaine foam regrew hair in nearly 9 out of 10 men after 4 months when used twice daily. The solution is told to go on easy and dry quickly and is applied directly to the scalp, twice a day every day. The brand encourages users to apply it at the same time daily to ensure consistency. 2. Nioxin. Nioxin comprises of a 3-part system kit, including a cleanser, scalp revitalizer and a scalp treatment. The cleansing process helps remove follicle-clogging sebum, fatty acids and environmental residues from the scalp, skin and hair. The scalp revitalizer is a lightweight conditioner that helps provide hair resilience and control moisture balance. Finally, the scalp treatment contains antioxidants that help a refreshed scalp environment. The technologies used in Nioxin are BioAMP, GlycoShield and Scalp Access Delivery System. The result is a volumizing, cosmetic leave-on treatment for noticeably thinning hair. The product additionally contains an SPF 15 sunscreen to protect scalp, skin, and antioxidants and botanicals to encourage a fresher, cleaner scalp. 3. Purado. This hair loss prevention therapy shampoo is a daily follicle stimulator, meaning that it works to encourage hair growth with its blend of DHT blockers, biotin and niacin. These all function to promote a healthier scalp. Argan oil and antioxidants additionally create a stronger feel to your locks and overall operate for fuller, shinier hair. The brand suggests that the formula fortifies and energizes hair from the roots to the tips, reviving damaged and distressed hair, leaving it healthier looking and with a smoother feel. The shampoo is obviously massaged to wet hair, lathered in and left for 2 minutes. There are no sulfates in this product. The shampoo is complemented with its matching conditioner. 4. Spectralden CS. This product relies on consistency. It needs to be used regularly and without interruption or pauses in your hair routine. How it works is that you apply 6 pumps twice daily and massage the formula across your problem areas. This formula works on washed or unwashed hair. What is integral is that you wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water immediately after use. 5. Kerastase Densificom. Densificom is specifically designed for men and is a 3-month program. Results have shown that 2 out of 3 users found their hair felt fuller, and 80% felt their hair was stronger. Densificom is Kerastase's answer to the specifically targeted factors that contribute to hair loss and thinning in men, including the presence of testosterone. This treatment comprises of steamoxidine, vitamins B3, B5 and B6 and texturizing polymer. The brand describes the accompanying shampoo as refreshing and thickening, utilizing a custom-designed cleanser that includes biotin. 6. Biotopic. Biotopic is a hair loss solution at a more cost-effective price point. This product is naturally formulated for men to help improve hair regrowth and comes in a handy little bottle for easy use. It involves a total spectrum of 27 professionally recommended hair growth vitamins and DHT control. It harnesses biotin, saw palmetto and caffeine, which have all been linked to positive hair regrowth and the prevention of hair loss. It additionally helps reduce shedding, adds body and thickens hair. As with all hair regrowth treatments, benefits should be cumulative over time. 7. Strivectin. This densifying foaming treatment strengthens existing hair, reducing hair loss that is caused by breakage. The foam essentially works to encourage natural anchoring of hair, therefore minimizing the loss of strands. To nourish the hair and scalp, the formula utilizes patented NIA 114 and Vitacycle optimizing complex. The brand suggests that with every use, it restores vitality while thickening and strengthening hair strands. The formula is also paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalates-free and has no synthetic dyes. For use, massage 2 to 3 pumps of the formula while your hair is damp or dry, without rinsing it out. So these are 7 best hair growth products for men. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.